Welcome to my new channel STRs Unlisted. Basically, this channel is based on abroad studies along with internship and job opportunities for freshers. So without wasting much time, I am going to start this video. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to get a job in Canada for newcomer for work. These are two ways to come Canada. One is father and grandfather used to do. In this case, you have to print out your resume, knock on doors, submit your resume, and after that you are hired by the company. So friend, as you can see, the process is the very lengthy, which will be obstruct you many ways. Like there are some companies who are advising to send the resume to their official website to the HR instead of directly accepting the resume. Still, there are some companies who are accepting the resume directly, but the most important part is the traditional way totally depends on networking. How much networking you have in this particular related field in which you are dreaming to work. The important part is you should be aware, cause these days there are many fake paid agencies are promising to let you hire. You are enough to do the internet works. Everything is easy and available in internet. Why you need help of others? You have the qualification, you have the skills, you have the experience. Then why you are becoming dependent to others? The online way is very easy. First one is the job search website and the other one is manually. I will be briefly discuss about manual process. Let's look on the job search website. First, Indeed. My favorite. Indeed is the global site. So I am going to search for civil engineers. So make sure you have typed indeed.ca. Click any of them. You can search your related field in which you want to work. And I will upload a video soon about in which measures the computer-based softwares are used in professions. Like civil engineering needs AutoCAD, State Pro, Aviplan, Farfield, Bentley Inroads, Synchro, Risa 3D, MicroStation, Geopack, etc. etc. From here you can apply. So next one is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is very vast global network for in here you can contact with the HR or someone who are already working in your dream company. So here I am going to search a major company, for example Acom. In here you can see the current opportunities, so filter it and choose the location to Canada. For example, this opportunity is from Singapore. You can get filterized result, and the next one is from Los Angeles. It's only example, search your own. Next one is Kijiji. Kijiji, especially if you are not searching for something like not really professional, like simple, you will definitely find that kind of for subcontractor, construction staffs, driver staffs, and those type of vacancy in which higher education not required. And the next one is monster.ca. It's also good, but I never used. So simply you can search the post by giving the job title and the job location in the search box. Here is an example. The last and the most important portal for jobs in Canada. Simply go to jobbank.gc.ca. It's pure government site of Canada. Search a job here. In result you can see the job location and salary if provided. If you have already selected in which city or in which state you want to go, then filter it in province region section. But the fact is, you have some good proficiency in French, especially in Quebec state. In Canada, there are two languages in Canada, French and English. So it's an advantage if you know French. In here you can see that language at work section, French speakers have more opportunities. And now the best part of this video is the discussion about manual system. What is the manual system? Just go to the official website of the companies who have industries in Canada. I prefer you that make a resume in Canadian style or Canadian format and go to official site of the company, then go to career button. If career button is not there, then go to contact section and submit your resume there for current opportunities or upcoming opportunities. I am going to show you an example. Suppose in some of major companies, civil engineering companies in Canada, you can see in some of companies website there will be the three options like new graduates or recent graduates, experienced professionals, international applications, and few companies have not these options. Just go to their career section, submit your Canadian style or format resume. I will suggest you to practice some computer based application which will be used in your professions. I will be upload in our channel regarding all about internship, that what is internship, how it works, how much important it is, and etc etc. Just search top 10 space your field in which you want to work, then industries in Canada. Search it and note down the name of the companies and go to their website, official website, submit your resume there. And here is some example like well industries, aviation industries, resource industries, medical industries. It's simple, my friend. Hope you have liked the video, so that don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much friends for watching. Stay connected, take care, and goodbye.